Want to use a servo motor for your project? Today we're going to learn in 1 minute how to use 180-degree servo motors with Tokymaker. First things first, let's connect your servo motor to the output port of your Tokymaker board. I have it connected to the output 1 for this example. Now, let's create an action block on output 1 using the set servo block in our website create.tokylabs.com. You can set the value of the numeric block from 0 to 180 to control the position of the servo motor. In this example, if you wanted to rotate 90 degrees, you just need to put a value 90. We click play and then we see the effect right away. Here you go. You can also use the wait block to pause the program for a certain amount of time. For example, if you want your servo motor to rotate 90 degrees and then wait for 2 seconds before rotating back to 0 degrees, you can use this code. This is just a quick tip, but we have amazing live courses in our shop to learn how to code, design, and build amazing projects together. And now, follow your curiosity and make something.